Good afternoon, students, and welcome to the online lecture of Sharad Bimore English School. Okay, now in last lecture we have started with the chapter subtraction. Now today we'll continue. Subtract 507 and 288. Now you have to subtract 288 from 507. Okay. Okay. So it's given that number is 507, so you have to subtract 288 from that. Okay, so first of all you will arrange them vertically in the table, unit, tens and hundred. Okay, so you will place the unit digit at unit place, right? 7, and then 10 tens digit, that is 0, at tens place. Okay, and then 100 digit 5 you will place at 100 place. Okay, similarly for 288. Now 7 minus 8, 7 में से 8 करना possible नहीं है minus, right? So you will borrow 1. So when you will borrow from the next number, it's 0. So the next number will borrow from the next digit, that is 5. So it will become 4, then it will become 10, right? Now 10 will give 7, 1, right? So it will become 9. So now here it's 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, 17 minus 8 is 9. 9 minus 8, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Right? So final answer is 290. Okay. Then now next we have to subtract 900. We have to subtract 365. We have to subtract 365 from 900. Okay. Now we'll arrange it. First of all, we'll arrange it. Okay. 900, and then here you will write 365. Okay. Now it's 0 and we have to subtract 5 from 0, so it's not possible to subtract 5 from 0, so we'll borrow from next digit. Now you can see here next digit is 0, so the next digit will itself borrow from the next one, that is from 100 place. So 9 will give 1 to the 0, so it will become 10, right? And it will become one digit less, 8. Now 10 will give to the next digit 1, so it will become 10 and it will become 1, 9. Now we'll subtract 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. So final answer is 535. 535. Okay, completed. Now you have to use the same method to solve the given questions. First question, 205 minus 6. Now we have to subtract 6 from 205. Now see the unit digit. Unit digits are 5 and 6. आपको 6 5 में से subtract करना है, so it's not possible to subtract 6 from 5, right? So we have to borrow. Now when we are borrowing, we can see here it's 0, right? At tens place 0 है, तो आप क्या करोगे? अब 0 को भी next digit से borrow करना पड़ेगा. So yeah, 2 से borrow करेगा 0, right? So 2 will become 1, and then it will become 1 0 10. Okay. Now 10 will give 5 1, so ये one digit less हो जाएगा, 10 9 हो जाएगा, right? And it will become 1 5 15. करेक्ट है. नाउ 15 में से आप क्या करोगे? 6 सब्ट्रैक्ट करो. 15 minus 6, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. And then 1, right? 1 आप as it is लिखोगे. So here it's final answer 199. क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे? 199. Next question. Next question is 300 minus 95. Okay. आपको 300 given है यहाँ पे, 95 उसमें से subtract करना है. So now look here, first unit digit. Unit digit is 0. Then we have to subtract 5 from 0. So it's not possible. So you have to borrow one digit. But now here it's 0 itself. तो 0 भी क्या करेगा? Next digit से borrow करेगा. So it will become 2. Right? 3 से क्या हो जाएगा? 2 हो जाएगा. And it will become 10. Now 10 can give. Right? So 10 will become 9 and it will give 1. Now here it's 1 0 10. अब 10 में से 5 subtract करो. Now 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 9, 0. And 2 as it is. So your final answer is 205. In 300 में से 95 subtract करोगे, so you will get 205. Okay.
आई थी ना तब की ड्राइंग है वो, फर्स्ट टाइम की है.
Next, third question. 800 minus 207. आपको क्या करना है? 207 800 में से subtract करना है, right? So first of all आप unit digit से start करोगे. Unit place पे 0 and 7, right? 0 में से 7 subtract करना possible नहीं है. So you will borrow from the next digit, but when next digit is also 0, you will borrow from the 100 place, right? तो अब 100 प्लेस पे 8 है, तो 8 पे से आप बोरो करोगे, तो 8 जब 1 गिव कर 1 दे देगा तो 7 हो जाएगा, तो ना हियर इट विल बिकम 10. अब 10 दे सकता है नेक्स्ट डिजिट यूनिट प्लेस पे, राइट? सो 10 जब 1 देगा तो वो 9 हो जाएगा, एंड इट विल बिकम 1 0 10, राइट? नाउ 10 minus 7 3, 9 minus 0 9, 7 minus 2 5, so your final answer is 593. Got it? Next, 700, 700, 348, 348, तो आपको 348 किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है? 700 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, now now you have to see that unit digit first. यूनिट प्लेस पे 0 है एंड 8 है, 0 में से 8 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, सो आप नेक्स्ट डिजिट में से बोरो करोगे, राइट? टेंथ प्लेस पे से मतलब, बट टेंथ प्लेस पे 0 है तो आप कहाँ से बोरो करोगे? 100 प्लेस पे से. 100 प्लेस पे 7 है, so 7 में से आप जब 1 ले लोगे तो इट विल बिकम 6, राइट? 1 ले लिया आपने, 0 1 0 10. अब 10 में से भी 1 देना है आपको, तो 10 क्या हो जाएगा? 9 हो जाएगा, एंड हियर इट विल बिकम 1 0 10. नाउ 10 minus 8 2, 9 minus 4 5, 6 minus 3 3, so here its final answer 352. Okay, next, arrange vertically and subtract. Now we have to arrange it vertically and we have to perform the subtraction. Okay, so now first question is 245 minus 6. आपको क्या करना है? 6 minus करना है 245 में से. 245 minus 6. First question. Hundred tens unit, right? Now we have to subtract 6 from 245, right? अब सबसे पहले यूनिट प्लेस पे आप चेक करो, हियर इट्स 5, राइट? 5 में से 6 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल बिकॉज 5 इज लेस देन 6, सो आप क्या करोगे? बोरो करोगे, राइट? फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट डिजिट इटसेल्फ. सो 4 में से जब आप 1 बोरो करोगे, सो इट विल बिकम 3 एंड इट विल बिकम 15, राइट? अब आप क्या करोगे? यहाँ पे 15 में से 6 माइनस करोगे. नाउ 15 माइनस 6 9, 3 as it is, 2 as it is. So here your final answer is 245 minus 6 is equals to 239. Okay, next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, 348 माइनस 59. अब देखो 348 में से हम लोग को क्या करना है? 58 59 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, so here we'll write 348 59. Okay, 100 tens unit. Okay, now look here, first unit digit is 8 and here it's 9, so it's not possible to subtract 9 from 8, so you have to take the borrow digit. Okay, आप borrow करोगे 4 में से 3, आप जब 1 borrow करोगे, so it will become 3 and here it will become 1 8 18. Now 18 minus 9 9, 3 minus 5 is not possible, right? तो आप next digit 100 प्लेस पे से कैरी borrow करोगे, so 3 में से 1 digit आप लोगे तो it will become 2. 13 minus 5, 13 minus 5 is 8. Now here it is 2. 280, 289. Okay. Next question.
यहाँ पे छोटी मतलब की तीसरे ढूंढ रही थी वो तीसरे में
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 556 माइनस 368. हम लोग क्या करना है 556 में से 368 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके 556 minus 368. Okay, now first of all we'll start subtraction from unit place. Okay, now here it's 6 and 8, so it's not possible to subtract 8 from 6. So what we'll do, we'll take the borrow digit. Okay, आप क्या करोगे, borrow करोगे. So now here it will become 4. So when it will give 1, it will become 16, right? Now 16 minus 8, 8. 4 minus 6, 4 में से 6 subtract करना possible नहीं. Again you will take the borrow. Okay, so now here it's 14 and it will become 4. 14 minus 6, 8. 4 minus 3, 1. So your final answer is 188. Means 556 minus 368 is equals to 188. Okay, next question. Next 407 minus 240. Okay, so you have to subtract 240 from 407. Okay, 407 में से आपको 2 subtract. Okay, now 7 minus 0, 7. Now it's not possible to subtract 4 from 0, so we will borrow. Okay, so it will become 3 and it will become 1 0 10. 10 minus 4, 6. 3 minus 2, 1. So your final answer is what? 167. Means when you will subtract 240 from 407, you will get 167. Okay, next question. 845 minus 657. 845 minus 657. Okay, now first unit place में 5 and 7. So 5 में से 7 minus करना possible नहीं है, so you will borrow. Okay, so it will become 15 and here it will become 3, right? So now 15 minus 7, 2. 3 में से 5 minus करना possible नहीं है, तो आप वापस से 8 में से borrow करोगे, तो it will become 7 and it will become 13. 13 minus 5, 8, and 7 minus 6, 1. It means here you will get 182. Means 845 minus 657 is equals to 182. Okay, next question. 932 minus 754. What are the two numbers? 932 minus 754. 932 754. Okay, now look here. First of all, you will start the subtraction from unit digit. So here it's 2 and 4. So it's not possible to subtract 4 from 2. आप क्या करोगे? 1 borrow करोगे, right? So it will become 2. So it will become 12. So 12 minus 4, 8. 2 में से 5 subtract करना possible नहीं है, आप again borrow करोगे. So it will become 8 and it's 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 8 minus 7, 1. So it's your final answer, 178. Means when you will subtract 754 from 932, you will get 178. Okay, next question. Next question. Write the biggest possible 3-digit number and the smallest possible 3-digit number using the given digit. Subtract from one from the other. Okay, now look here. आपको 3-digit number form करना है. Okay, using 3 digits. Now 3, 5, 4. Okay, अब देखो ये जो 3, 5, 4 है, ये 3 digits है, right? आपको क्या करना है? इसको यूज करके 2 numbers form करना है. One is the biggest one and one should be the smallest one. Okay, now so to form the biggest number, we will use the biggest digit, right? Unit, unit, tens and then 100, right? तो 100 प्लेस पे क्या आना चाहिए? बिगेस्ट डिजिट आना चाहिए, right? So here it's 5. So आप क्या लिखोगे यहाँ पे? 5. Then next is 4. So here you will write 4 and then next one should be 3. So it's the biggest possible number, right? 543. It's the biggest number. Next, what we have picked the smallest possible number. Okay. Now, right here biggest one is 543. Now we'll make the smallest possible number. So we will arrange the numbers according to the decreasing manner. Okay, so first here you will write increasing one, the smallest one, 3. Then next one, that is the bigger than 3, is 4. Then next should be 5, right? So 345 is the smallest possible number. Now what we have to do, we have to subtract them from each other. Means 345 को हम लोग को 543 में से subtract करना है. Okay, so 543 minus 345. Now let's subtract them. 543, 345. Okay, now first is unit digit पे 3 है and then 5 है, right? Unit place पे. Now, so now it's not possible to subtract 5 from 3. So here you will borrow from the next one, that is 4 will become 3 and here it will become 1, 3, 13. 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5 is what? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, right? So here you will write 8. Then 3 minus 4 is not possible. So again you will borrow. अब borrow करोगे 5 के पास से 100 पेज पे से. So it will become 4 and it will become 13. 13 minus 4, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. So your final answer is 198. Okay. Next three digits जो आपको given है वो है 6, 5 and 1. So now you have to use three digits. 6, 5, 1. Okay. So now we'll make the first biggest number and then next smallest. Okay. Now biggest possible number क्या रहेगा according to the biggest number, right? 6 then 5 then 1. ये biggest possible number है, right? smallest कौन सा रहेगा? 156, मतलब 651 and then 156. अब आपको क्या करना है? दोनों को subtract करना है. 100 tens unit. Now biggest possible number है 651 and smallest number है 156. Now we have to subtract. Next. Now 1 में से आपको 6 subtract करना है, so it's not possible, right? So you have to borrow. 5 में से आप 1 दे दोगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? 1 digit less हो जाएगा. It will become 4, so it will become 11. 11 minus 6. Now 11 minus 6 is 5. Then next is 4 minus 5. Again it's not possible, you have to borrow. So now it will become 5, 1 digit less, and then it will become 1, 4, 14. 14 minus 5 is 9. Now 5 minus 1, 4. So your final answer is 495. Okay. Next question. Next question. Next one is 725. Okay, now these are the three digits. We have to use this digit and make the smallest possible number and biggest possible number. Okay, so biggest possible number is 725, then 725, and smallest possible number is 5, 257. Okay, now you will subtract these two numbers. 725 में से आप क्या करोगे? 257 subtract करोगे. Okay. नाउ 5 में से 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पॉसिबल नहीं है, तो आप क्या करोगे, बोरो करोगे, राइट। 15 माइनस 7, 15 माइनस 7 क्या हो जाएगा, 8. If 1 minus 5 is not possible, again you will borrow, right? So it will become 6 and here it will 11. 11 minus 5, 6. 6 minus 2, 4. So here it's 4, 6, 3, 8. Okay. Now last one. Now last one is 3, 4, 8. So the highest possible number is 843, biggest one, and the smallest is 348. So you will subtract it, okay? 843 and 348. So you will get the final answer, okay?